I started riding 10 years ago, approximately, and my life changed completely because of that. It changed my mentality. Every time I ride, everything and all the small problems disappear. Life is all about the risks, and this is a risk, and it's amazing. When you risk, you get a great reward. When you fall, you will stand up and you will be stronger. There is always a lesson from every fall, in longboarding and in life also. It forces me in a way to not accept the lows of life and search for the high. Obviously you don't want to crash when you're going 95, but it's a liberating feeling. It's like you're flying. You and gravity, nothing less. Speed, wow, what a great sensation. Life is a ride, and I choose to ride it with a longboard.